Alright, Larry, here's your 427FE. Give you a scriptness combination. Got the Edelbrock mounted on it. Quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Custom grind solid roller. Got a silver ass cast FE heads. Roseville front sump pan. Got the March Serpentine belt setup. Go in there and make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,400, 490 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 500, really flat through all there, pretty nice. Peaks horsepower 470 run, we rated it at 470, front end is about 15, so it runs good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of things from the receiver is. You find this thing with a credit card. It's a USB card. It is full of technical information. I highly recommend watching it. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. I'll have some stuff on there. Definitely read it. Have a great day.